This is what I keep in my truck during the winter season. I do have this Flannel electric blanket that's a DC blanket. Open it up here. It does have a cord to plug into the cigarette lighter. I'll just take it out and show you. I'll unroll it. See, it does have a DC connector to plug right in the cigarette lighter to keep you warm in case you're stuck overnight in your car so you don't freeze to death in the cold weather. Good little blanket. Let me put it back in the case. Doesn't want to go in. Let me try again. Nah. Let's put it over here. And this is my lambskin blanket. It's skins. The whole skins. It's like 4 lambs to make this one big blanket. This keeps you really warm, and wool wicks the sweat and water off your body so you stay warm. I love this blanket. I keep it in the winter time. The summer's a little too hot, but in the winter it's just perfect. Here is my DC heated blanket on my wool blanket. In the wintertime, if I'm stuck in my car, at least I'll stay warm for a while. It's a huge blanket and a heated blanket. It is DC outlet. Thick wool. It's lambskin. Nice and warm. As you can see, it says lambskin. This will keep me warm if I'm stuck in my truck. This has been the Independent Prepper. Have a wonderful day.